people of the world, as you enjoy this amazing fireworks show in Mauritius tonight on this 1st of January 2024, I want you to close your eyes and listen to what you hear, to the sound of thousands of explosions in the air. And I want you to take a minute to think of the Palestinian people who are hearing the same sounds as you are hearing in this video, except it's not a firework, it's not an explosion of joy. Every explosion out there is a bombardment. It's a bomb being dropped from an airplane, leveling down a building. It's shelling from tanks, blowing up cars, ambulances, hospitals, buildings. Every explosion is a child losing his arm, his leg, being maimed for life. And in some cases, in many cases, in thousands of cases, losing his life, or losing his parent, or losing his sibling. Every single explosion is fear being instilled in the hearts of his children, thousands of them. We cannot allow this genocide to continue. We cannot allow children to be murdered like that. If there is one resolution that we must pass on this day, it's to stop the war, to cease killing, murdering children, people in Palestine, and to bring the perpetrators of this genocide to justice. Because that's the only thing that can be done now. You cannot bring a child his leg. You cannot bring a child his arm back. You cannot bring him his dead parent. And you cannot undo the fear that you have stamped forever in his heart. You cannot undo what has been done. But you can bring the murderers to justice. Thank you. Sorry to spoil your viewing of this video. Please pass on this message and let it be heard all over the world that this war needs to stop.